Hello, this is Abo Yang's probability course Homework 3. So let's see the first question. So for the first question, we can do it first in a general discuss. So we can see that for every p equal to k, that equal to ak p k minus 1. So we assume that and this course p equal to 1 divided 3. But we do a general discuss, then we can get that psi from pk, that means 1 plus p square plus to the infinite, that means 1 divided 1 minus p. After that, we can do that times a, so it's the a divided 1 minus p. So we can do a differential to both sides. We can easily find that akp k minus 1, that means a divided 1 minus p squares equal to 1. So we can easily find that a is equal to 1 minus p square. So that means a equal to 1 minus p square. The p in this section is 1 divided 3. So that means the final is 4 divided 9. And after that, we can find that akpk that is equal to ap divided 1 minus p squares. So we do the differential to both sides by p again. So we can easily find that ak squares p k minus 1. So we do the psi that is equal to 1 plus p divided 1 minus p in total, and finally. So after that, we can easily find the e psi is equal to this one, 1 plus p divided 1 minus p. So that means in this station, the p is equal to 1 divided 3, so we can find that the final score is 2. So, and the e x squares is equal to ak 3 and 1 divided 3 k minus 1. So it's the same as discuss and the ek. So we can identify that a is equal to 4 divided 9. So that means the final is 4 divided 9 and get this like this. So we can identify this. We can calculate this and divide it by sk. So we can identify this is 99 divided 8. So the total final is 11 divided 2, it's 5.5. And for the last one, D. So P x conditional probability x equals to k and x more than 1 and less than 10. So that is P x equal to k and P equal to x more than 1 less than 10. It's the same, and we can get that from this is p x equal to k, and this is p x more than 1 less than 10. And we can do for this one x equal to more than 1 and less than 10. That means we can divide it use like this, and it's 9 divided 4 divided by 9. So the final is 4 divided 9k 1 divided 3k minus 1. Okay, so for the second question, because x is a uniform in -1 to 2, so we can easily find that for x less than -1 is 0. From -1 to 2 is x plus 1 divided 3, and x more than 2 is 1. So we can easily draw the graphs like this. So from -1 to 2, less than minus, more than 2. For the second question of part 2, we can easily find that for y minus 0 and y more than 4, the fy is 0. And we can divide this into two sections. The first section is y more and equal to 0 and less than 1, and y more and equal to 1 less than 4, because more than 0 and less than 1, they have two rows for y equal to gx equal to x squares, and we can easily find that fy equal to 1 divided 3 and gives 1, and for 1 more than 1 and minus 4, we can easily find that there is only one root, and fy is equal to this. So we can easily find f1 from 0 to 1, 1 to 4, and the others is 0. So we can draw the fy like this. And from fy, we can get the capital Fyy from 0 to 4. That is minus 0, less than 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 4, and 1 more and equal to 4. And we can easily get like f1 like this. So the last question of question 2, the ey is equal to, we can do the integral from 0 to 1 and 1 to 4. 0 to 1 is this, and 1 to 4 is like this. So we can calculate it. After that, we can do that, get that ey is equal to 1 finally. That's all about homework 3. Thank you.